What are plugins? Anyone who has been online has encountered a plugin or two, even if they didn't realize it. These are extensions that seamlessly integrate with website platforms and give these sites additional functions or features. From an organizational standpoint, using plugins on your website can greatly improve the user experience and boost customer retention as a result. At the end of this video, you'll be familiar with how plugins work on both the website and browser level. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Plugins, a basic definition. Plugins act as independent modules that integrate with existing website platforms. Users can customize their website by choosing plugins with specific functions. In addition, they are easy to install and do not require any coding knowledge to use. The benefits of plugins. Plugins bypass the need for extensive coding, even if you want to add complex features to your site. They're highly customizable, so you can mix and match plugins depending on your website needs. Plugins are quick and cost-effective ways to improve user experience. Whether you want to make your website more interactive or improve the checkout process, there's most likely a plugin for it. There are specialized plugins that can help improve your SEO and make your site more search engine friendly. There are also security plugins designed to protect users' information. How do plugins work? Now, let's discuss the difference between website and browser plugins. Website plugins. Plugins can be seamlessly integrated into your existing website. Because plugins are written in common programming languages such as PHP, JavaScript, or HTML, they can interact with a site's core code and database. Site-specific plugins are developed in line with the website's guidelines, thereby ensuring compatibility. This means that WordPress plugins, for instance, need to follow the WordPress API. Examples of website plugins include Yoast SEO, WordFence Security, and WooCommerce. Browser plugins. Browser plugins are also referred to as extensions or add-ons. They are small software programs meant to enhance the overall functionality of a web browser. These kinds of plugins integrate with a browser's core components, like its rendering engine or network stack, and thus interact with web pages in real time. Examples of these include AdBlock Plus, Grammarly, and LastPass. Aside from enhancing your website's user experience, plugins can also help you manage back-end tasks such as data collection and customer support. They can be a great tool to incorporate into your existing IT infrastructure. For more information, check out our official blog post on plugins and plugin types, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.